Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clean your AC evaporator coils. And we're going to use this Arm & Hammer HVAC coil cleaner here. So you go ahead and shake it up.
Spray here.
You're going to want to spray kind of like this.
And leave for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to use a bucket here to...
Got a little drip bucket here. Ideally, you'd probably want to use like a drip pan or something. But you just want to spray it and cover it all up here with the cleaner. This stuff kind of reminds me of the Ghostbusters 2 when they spray the slime, like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man kind of thing. Alright, then we're going to wait 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Alright, so what I've got here is this is just a garden sprayer, like a pressure garden sprayer. And what I'm going to do is you kind of just spray off basically what's left here. And since we're going to be putting back a filter over top this, I'm going to want to be just spraying this off, otherwise the filter would get, you know, foam and wet stuff on it here. And you just kind of spray until you get it all off. I have some aluminum foil down, just since I don't have a true drip tray down, but and you're going to want to make sure that you have the HVAC turned off, of course, when you're doing this. I have a little rag here that I'm using just to clean with the splines here. So that's all I'm doing here. You can use a brush and just kind of clean in this motion along with the metal fins as to not bend them or anything. And if you were to go ahead and do that, I would do that before you spray it. But this I was just getting some excess off and getting some dirt off as well. A fair amount came off when I was rubbing with the rag too. You'd want to let it dry a little bit. The condensation is also going to kind of further help clean off any residue, but you know, you get the big stuff off, you should be fine. And at this point, you can go ahead and put the filter back on, and after a minute or two, turn back on the AC. Really hope this video helped, guys, and check out this next video here.